Well, hi everyone. I'm just on my way out for a lovely walk because it's a beautiful day today. So I'm off down the hill here, and just in front of me is the sea. And it is a glorious day. Beautiful blue sky today. Hardly a cloud in it. And the sun's shining. But have a look at this sea. This is quite different. I took this film about 3 or 4 weeks ago when the weather was really bad. Look at those waves. I wouldn't like to be out in a boat on a day like that. That gives you a little clue as to what our story's about today. Look at those waves crashing on the wall. I tell you what, boys and girls, let's go back to the lovely, calm sea that we saw before. I much prefer it. So I'm going to head back to the house and I'm going to tell you this amazing story about not such a nice day as this. In fact, it was a very stormy day. So let's head back and have our story. That was a lovely walk down by the beach today. The weather is just perfect. The sea was nice and calm and it was a beautiful day. I wouldn't have minded being out in a boat in a day like today. But as I said earlier, I have a story today and it takes place on the sea, but the sea isn't quite as calm as it was when we were down at the beach. It's called The Storm That Stopped. One day, long ago, Jesus was teaching people by the sea. Soon, some more people arrived. Then others. Then more and more, until there were people everywhere. The crowds were just too big. We can't hear back here. Give me some room. Be quiet. I can't see. No one could see Jesus, and no one could hear Jesus. So Jesus asked his friends, the disciples, to push their boat out into the water. He sat in the boat and the huge crowd spread out along the beach. Now they could all see and hear Jesus as he told them all about God. When he finished teaching the people, Jesus said to his disciples, "Let's go over to the other side of the sea." Jesus had finished teaching the crowd, and now he had something to teach his friends, but they didn't know it yet. So they all jumped into the boat with him and set sail across the sea. Jesus was so tired. He'd been teaching the people all day, so he lay down in the back of the boat and fell fast asleep. It was a quiet evening. The water gently lapped against the boat and the sun slowly set in the sky. Jesus was sleeping. The disciples were quietly talking. Then, all of a sudden, they were in the middle of the biggest, loudest, scariest, most ginormous storm you could imagine. The wind blew, the waves grew huge, the water poured into the boat, but Jesus was asleep. The wind blew harder, the waves grew huger, the water filled the boat, but Jesus was still asleep. Jesus! Wake up, wake up! We're drowning! Don't you care? What a silly thing to say to Jesus. Of course he cared. He loved his friends so much that one day he was going to die for them. Jesus stood up in the boat. The wind was still blowing. The waves were bigger than ever. The water was pouring into the boat quicker than the disciples could tip it out again. The boat was sinking. But then Jesus did something amazing. He didn't help his friends pour the water out of the boat. He didn't help them try to row back to land. Jesus simply spoke. But he didn't speak to the disciples. He spoke to the storm, to the wind, and to the waves. Quiet. Be still. Just 3 little words, and the storm stopped. Right away at that very moment, the sea was quiet, still, and calm. Then Jesus looked at his friends. "Why are you so afraid? Do you still not trust me?" But they were terrified, and they asked each other, "Who is this? Even the waves and the wind do as he says." This is what Jesus wanted to teach them. He wanted them to know who he really is. The disciples already knew a lot about God from his special book. They knew that God made everything. He made the world, he made the sun and the moon and the stars, and he made the sea and the wind as well. They knew that only God can tell the sea what to do, that only God can tell the wind when to blow or the waves when to crash. Only God can do these things. But the disciples had just seen Jesus do the same things God can do. So what is the answer to their question? Who is Jesus? Jesus is God. Wasn't that amazing? Those people on the boat, those men on the boat, were terrified because the sea was so rough. I think they thought they weren't going to make it back to dry land again. But Jesus did something amazing. He calmed the storm. And sometimes, boys and girls, in life, we go through times that are a bit like that, a bit stormy, a bit difficult. Maybe not on a boat, but maybe just different things that we're going through at home or maybe in school. And sometimes we feel like those men. We feel a bit scared and frightened. But you know what? Jesus is there. He's there to calm the storm for us. Maybe you could go to an adult and choose one nice stone that you might like to paint. You could paint a sky and the grass and a boat on the water. Or maybe you might like to do it more like this one. And then on the back, I have written, "Quiet, be still," which is a verse taken from the Bible, from the book of Mark, chapter 4 and verse 39. This stone will remind me that Jesus is here to help me and to calm the storm if I will just trust him. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Please remember to click like if you did, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll have another story for you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.